Hello, today we will guide you through how to talk to leads and customers with Meta Business Suite Inbox. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to open Meta Business Suite, navigate to your inbox, access Messenger conversations, and send a reply. This is a simple process, but it's an important one because staying responsive to leads and customers can help build trust and keep conversations moving forward. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Once the page loads, make sure you are in the correct business account so you can view the messages connected to the right page. Meta Business Suite is the central place where you can manage communication across your business channels. So this is where many customer conversations will be handled. After you've arrived on the main Meta Business Suite screen, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click Inbox. This section brings all your business messages into one place, making it easier to review and respond without switching between platforms. If you're managing multiple conversations, this area can save a lot of time and help you stay organized. Inside the inbox, click on Messenger. This will filter your inbox so you can focus specifically on Facebook Messenger conversations. This is helpful when you want to respond to leads or customers who reached out through Facebook rather than other connected channels. Taking a moment to choose the correct message source can help avoid confusion and keep your replies relevant. Next, select a sample message or conversation from the message list. When you click into the conversation, the full thread will open so you can review what the lead or customer has already said. Before replying, it's always a good idea to read through the conversation carefully. That helps you understand the context and respond in a way that feels helpful and professional. Once the conversation is open, click into the message field and enter your sample text. Type your response clearly and keep your message friendly, concise, and appropriate to the conversation. If you're replying to a lead, you may want to sound welcoming and informative. If you're helping a customer, focus on being clear and supportive. Even a short response can make a strong impression when it is timely and well written. That's all it takes to start talking to leads and customers through Meta Business Suite Inbox. By opening the inbox, choosing Messenger, selecting a conversation and entering your response, you can quickly manage communication in one convenient place.